house.
Waiting, a BBC, free, Sandy, Francis, Beyonce's, saying hot, where is it? Waiting, a year, I love it till, a near, 40, we are done. 40, 50, 20, 30, 80, 40, 47, a near, party.
Look, you can see it.
Button.
Three, four, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat head. 11, 12, dig and dwell. 13, 14, made a quartine. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 16, 17.
Oh, I messed up. It's 17, 18. 17. That's the one she told me. I messed up. I said 17. I said 16. It's supposed to be 17, 18. 18. Made it waiting. 19, 20. My plate's empty. That's what you put. That's not the right word, sir. Yeah, that's what you put. Should we rewrite it?
Yes.
Okay, then let's rewrite it because it's not right. You want to type it up again? What? Honestly, why not? What do you want to do? Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and dwell. 13, 14, maids a courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids in made it wait. 19, 20, my plate is empty. I know that's not Here, rewrite it. If you want me to keep saying it. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7,